Hi guys, welcome back. It's only me, but I'm gonna get some more water. Is that okay? Yeah. So, I'm gonna turn it. Still right there, and then put it like that on top of that. Put it like that. There. So now there's my plate. So I'm going to be showing you all of my stuffed animals. So, not all the boring ones, there's all the good ones. So these are my animals that I'm going to show you. The animals are... I'll show you all my little ones first. Here's the first one. Right after, I'm going to be showing you all of my bouncy balls. So, here is one of them called Toby. Toby. It's like my second favorite one. Actually, probably like my sixth favorite one. My favorite one is this one, Maddie. Maddie's birthday is on March 13th. It's like mine is March 18th. It's in 10 days. Her birthday is almost here. And my favorite one, my second favorite one, FIFA. Then there's Arctic, but then I call her Cuddles. Put that in the photo, right there. I'm gonna put that right there. There. And then there's my whale that I got from my best friend's Leah's birthday party. And I have this one, and his name is Slick. And then I have this one. His name is, I got it from the greatest show on earth. That's the circus. And I have its big moment right there, and its name is Stripes. There. Yeah. Then I have Alana. She's a jaguar. And then I have Sydney. She's a jaguar too. And then I have Snowball. So that was almost it. I just have my other animals. I'm going to be showing you one at a time. I'm going to get most of them out. I really want little snakes, but no, because yes, I can. I want snakes. Yes. That's a big one. And these for now. I'm going to put my bed. There's one. There. First, I'm going to put all of these over here. And I have some, one more little one. It's my little hamster. So cute. So its name is Chubby, Chubs, because he's actually a guinea pig, but since Chubs is going away, name it Chubs. Had that since I was little and I never named it, so now I named it. So this one's Popo, but the fuzz is kind of getting out. Popo. Popo's gonna go over there. And here's Lucy. This one's Sue. I named Sue because, wait. And here's Lily, because she smells like lilies. And here's Lulu. And here's Pinky. And here's Charlotte. So that was it, you guys. So see you in the next few. Guys, bye.